Hello and welcome. In this video I will attempt to teach you the basics of the Serbian language, their writing system and how to read it. Before we begin our lecture we must first have a brief look at the history of how it came to be. Serbia is located in the Balkans. Today this is the Serbian Empire. I wish. Serbia is a republic and it looks like this. Serbs have been on this territory from the 6th century. Back then they had a polytheistic culture and were illiterate. About their gods and beliefs will be another video soon. They were under constant pressure from many surrounding countries that wanted to impose their rule. The ruler at that time sought help from the Byzantine Empire. Came, who were sent to make a new writing system and educate the people so Christianity, orthodoxy could be spread. They made and afterwards their students created the which was popularized until the 12th century when many adaptations were created called The language kept modifying because of many historical events. During the Middle Ages only the priests in churches and powerful men and scholars that went abroad knew to read and write. That all started to change with Serbia's first Minister of Education and constructed the Serbian alphabet which is still in use today. Bear in mind that a huge amount of details have been skipped for the sake of length. Now we can get to the point of our video. The Serbian alphabet is called Azbuka. It has exactly 30 letters. And it is so beautiful and it is completely phonetic, meaning that one letter exactly corresponds to one tone. This is why Serbian is so easy to read and write.
Kao avion, B kao balon, V kao vrata, G kao gitara, D kao dugme, Ć kao đak, E kao ekser, Ž kao žaba, Z kao zvono, I kao igla, J kao jabuka, K kao ključ, L kao list, J kao juljaška, M kao mesec, N kao naočare, J kao njuška, O kao olovka, P kao pošta, R kao riba, S kao sunce, T kao torba, Ć kao čup, U kao udica, F kao fotoaparat, H kao hleb, C kao cipela, Č kao čekić, Č kao džak, Š kao šargarepa. I to je to. Volim ja vas.